So I thought I'd talk about what is happening to our throat chakra or our throat area, okay? Many of us are having a lot of symptoms recently, so I thought I'd pop on and talk about that. What people are finding is that they'll be going along throughout their day and a lot of energy will come in through the throat area and it'll make them cough suddenly. Or it can also feel like a lot of energy coming in and it'll just be like a slow tickle. Now, one could say, well, yeah, you have a dry throat, you need to go get a glass of water. Or, maybe you've got, something coming down. However, what this is something different than that, okay? We're talking about easily feeling energy coming in through your throat chakra and creating a sensation that makes it different than just a dry throat, okay, or just a cough that you need to have. So what you'll feel is a lot of energy pooling in right through the throat chakra. And a lot of people have told me, yeah, that's what's been happening to me. It just comes on really suddenly. And then sometimes it comes and it goes. And then other times I can speak for myself only on this one, where it's almost like somebody is coming through my throat chakra and saying, hey, we have something we want to talk to you about. We want to talk to you. We want to talk to you. So for me, when I get that sensation, it's telling me that energy around me is trying to get my attention. It's trying to tell me something. And I remember quite a few years ago when I first started to notice this, I decided to relax my mind and still and quiet my mind. And I would allow this energy to come in through the throat chakra and then form words in my throat box. So that was really fascinating to see how that would unfold. It would form the words in my throat area, in the throat box, but also up in my mind in conjunction with each other. And so I would just allow the energy to very gently form words in my throat. And many people don't realize that you can do this. So when you notice energy rushing up through your throat chakra and it's not a normal experience and you're not quite sure what is unfolding or why, the reason why is that there's energy around you attempting communication with you. Okay, so they can also, fire up your ear chakras, your third eye. They can come in and into any one of your chakras. You'll notice your heart chakra open and expand. But today we're talking about the throat chakra. Another reason why they will attempt to come through the throat chakra, usually I notice this during my mediumship courses that I teach, is because they're attempting to tell the person through a clairsentient feeling through the body way that they want them to speak up and use their voice. Say something, speak up for yourself, okay? So rather than sitting quiet and not speaking up and saying how you feel, it's really important to speak up and say how you feel in life, okay? So if they'd like us to do more of that, that will be another reason why they will come through the throat chakra. And so if this is something that's continuing, I can speak for myself on a regular basis. It was happening more and more as in the beginning stages of channeling or mediumship. And as I got adjusted to that, they would then move into clairaudience, and then they would move into, clairvoyance was the last one for me. But one thing you can do is say, okay, I understand that you're here and that you're wanting to communicate with me, but can we just step it back a bit? because this is making me feel very uncomfortable. So that's one thing. You can, have a word with your guardian angels. You can have a word with your spirit guides, because that's who it is. That or a loved one coming in for a chat. And you can just let them know, I'm just, either I'm busy right now. I have, I'm talking to someone right now. That might be one thing that you're doing. But also, if it's not comfortable continuously happening, you can say to them, listen, this isn't comfortable. But also, I think it's also really important to test the waters with this and to quiet your mind and allow the words to form through the energy that is being sent through your vessel, through this region. And I think it's really important to listen into what your guardian angels would like to say to you, or your spirit guides. For me, it's always the guardian angels who step forward first and would like to have a word with us, even just to get our attention. Okay, they're just getting our attention for one reason or another. And nowadays, it's not happening as much as it once was for me, predominantly because they just come in and start talking to me. So they don't need to get my attention. Hey. Okay, if I'm busy doing something, but they really are trying to get my attention and it's really important, then they'll come in here. And then I'm like, whoa, got my attention, got a little zinger here. Then I'll listen in. Okay. But that's when I'm really not paying attention and there's a really important message to come through. Otherwise, they're just going to come and have a chat with me any which way they feel is best. So I hope that answers those questions for you, for those of you that are noticing your throat chakra firing up these days. And P.S., get ready for this to increase over time, because I often hear from the angels that the veil is thinning. There are waves of high vibrational frequency permeating the planet, and our chakra centers are going to be experiencing more and more energy coming in. And what I have noticed over time, and I'm assuming what will happen for everyone else, is the chakra centers will open and expand, allowing for more energy to permeate the vessel. And why is this energy coming in through our throat chakra, through our third eye chakra, through the heart chakra, through the crown chakra? Okay, so why is it coming through all of our chakras? It's coming into the vessel to help lift and raise our vibrational frequency, to help transmute the heaviness that maybe we've been carrying for a while, and to communicate with us. Isn't that great? It's great because so many people come to me and say, man, I sure wish I could chat with my angels. I sure wish I could chat with my spirit guides. Well, guess what? This is one way that they're coming in to talk with you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.